What's going on, everybody? So I think we would all agree there's two sides to every story. Trust me when I say you're going to want to watch this whole video. I'm going to keep it as short as possible, but y'all deserve to know the truth about what's actually going on between me and the scammer in Vietnam. Now, I knew what I signed up for when I decided to expose this person. But as you can see from these screenshots, the credit highlight website is absolutely fake. I would never, ever create fake websites about somebody or fake reviews about them to make them look bad. That's just on a whole nother level. But I'm going to show y'all a couple clips, and I'm assuming this is because he's been doing it for 10 years and he's still an amateur and he disputes online. But he actually made a video yesterday stating that collections are the hardest thing to remove from a credit report, and that couldn't be any further from the truth. That is a bankruptcy without a doubt. And then the second clip is going to be him saying I look like a serial killer. Now, of course, we could do the name calling. I could pick on him because he's short like a hobbit, but that's just not me. And I've done it before, and I apologize. That's not who I am. But just watch these two clips, and don't forget about the screenshots I put up here. It's not even a real website. It's all stuff he created. Everything that he's showing you on Google, if you'll look, it's tied to PinnacleCreditRepair. He's put all this stuff on there, boosted up the SEO on it so it'll rank first, because like I said, you can pay to rank high on Google. It's not something I made up. But we're almost at the 2-minute mark, so watch these two clips and tell me what y'all think.
The things that are most difficult to remove on credit reports are collections.
How could you consider this guy a professional? He looks like a serial killer. That's disgusting. And
so, as you can see, the websites are fake. Everything on Google is fake. He says collections are the hardest thing to remove. That is far, far from the truth. Bankruptcy is 3 times as hard as a collection. A collection is actually one of the easiest things to remove. Now, that's on average. That doesn't mean they're always going to be deleted. But, and then you've seen the video of him calling me a serial killer, or I look like a serial killer. He's even called me a pedophile. Says I like little boys. Just, I hide dead bodies in my barn over here. Just sick things that a so-called CEO just does not do. This is not me trying to convince y'all to sign up with me over him. Excuse me. It's your money. If you want to throw it down the drain, be my guest. I'm not going to judge you for that. He talks a big game. But just remember who shows the results. Me. He never shows results. Once in a blue moon. 2-3 times a year. We show results almost every single day on Facebook. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.